Hey guys, it is Ray here with you today. Today we are creating this beautiful, glamorous, fashionable look with bright blue liner, with nudie makeup and the red lips, which are always in fashion. If you're interested to know how I get to this look and what I've been through creating this one, so stay with me. For now, grab yourself some tea or coffee and let's rock this look. For primer today, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I don't know why you guys, but I'm loving, especially recently, I'm loving doing my eyes first to see what it's gonna look like, and afterwards doing my foundation. I don't know why, but just the way it is. That's why today I'm digging into the Jaclyn Keihl palette by Morphe. I am coating my Sony Kashuk Universal Crease Brush and I'm applying to entire lid. This packs a tone because it's so pigmented. So for me, this shade is perfect, but look for yourself. If you are a little warmer toned or if you a little deeper toned, just pick the right shade for yourself because this one may be too bright for you and you do not want to ruin the look. I am switching to my It Cosmetics 105 blending brush, and the shade I'm gonna use for my transition shade is this one. The shade is M.F.E.O, and if you wonder, the first shade was Enlight. And to warm things up a little more, I've decided to use this little guy right here. Same brush. I'm taking my Morphe 507 and in the same palette I'm getting another shade. With the same brush, I'm pulling the same shadow to the lower lash line. I've added some hunts in the middle of the eye, and right now I'm gonna get the lightest shadow of the palette we apply to our entire lid and add it to the inner corner of our eye to add some extra vibrancy. And now I will wipe off the fallout and go to another step. I am preparing my skin with Keill's Daily Reviving Concentrate Oil. Today, I've decided to treat myself with Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. So far, I love this one. It gives such a youthful, very light and natural look, and it sits perfectly on skin. And thanks to the oil, it gives more radiance. So I'm definitely into this foundation. The only thing, it's not a full coverage. It's a good light to medium, but you can always try to build it up. And some blemishes or dark circles or spots you can cover with concealer and you will look flawless. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. This is my Fit Me by Maybelline concealer. Right now, I'm gonna bake with my tiny MAC brush and MAC set powder. And while we're baking, let's do the contour. For contour, I'm using my fave NYX Wonder Stick. I love how cool these tones are. They're not too red for me, so they're not bringing out the pink undertone of my skin. I'm gonna dust my bake off and I'm gonna use my Sonia Kashuk Large Powder Brush number 100 for that purpose. So I want to get a tiny drizzle of powder on top of what we have right now, and I'm gonna use my MAC Select Sheer Powder and the same fluffy brush. A very tiny coat. 137 brush, cubic blush. Together, they are perfect. I'm gonna apply it to the apples of my cheek and pull it a little further to my ears. Eyebrows go first, eyes will be after. Now we have some brows on. Let's jump to the eyes. First, I will start with lining my waterline with Fascinating by MAC. Right now, let's jump to two new things I'm trying on today. First, it's gonna be L'Oreal Infallible Paints in shade blue. I hope you remember, yesterday I've tried the white one. It was magic. I totally love it. It's so easy to work with. It's so pigmented. I can't say good enough about it. And the other thing, that's why I'm so curious how this one performs. So, and the other is LA Girl Double Drama Mascara. So right now, let's line our eyes. Here we are. Oh, it's the other thing. It's Matic Infallible Mechanical Liner. Oh my goodness. So it is a liner like this. It spices up our game. It's gonna be even more fun than I thought it'll be. So let's try this one because the marker, I loved it. I hope this one will be as good. Come on, little guy, don't let me down. It leaves really good pigment on my hand. Oh, it's just broke. Anyway. But on my eye, it doesn't show anything. Just like it does not exist. You have to layer it and layer it to see at least some pigment, but nothing blue at all. It broke off and now it's really messy to work with. Oh, it's breaking, like it's breaking apart all the time. So it is so tough on skin, it is scratching and pulling a lot, and I can't do the good line at all. I had really big hopes for this one. I mean, it's so hard to make a precise line. You see how messy it is in the inner corners? You see that, guys? Oh my goodness, I can't use it at all. That is a hot mess. Oh my goodness. Never again. Just remember this packaging. Never again. Let's try to fix this situation right here. It's messy all around. Oh my goodness. I will go back to the same Jaclyn Hill palette and use the blue shade to line my eyes, because that's the look I've been going for today. So it's total regret. Talking about regrets, at the end of the month, of each month, I'm uploading a video explaining the hates I have this month. So watch out for that one. So I'm taking my MAC 233. I hope it's 233. I'm taking my MAC synthetic angled brush. I will kind of apply it on top of a liner to give it at least a pop of a color. So guys, just compare the right side and the left one. No pigment, pigment. Yesterday, doing my research on nails, I found out another fun fact that the long nails are coming to us from the Asian China, where the length of a nail was telling about the social status of a person. The longer the nails, the higher the class. That is funny that the highest society had the longest nails, and ladies been growing their nails really long to show that they are not doing anything with their hands. No dirty job. The length of the nails at that time could reach up to 25 meters. That is insane. Right now, let's test the mascara. I hope it will not be a fail. 2 fails for 1 look? I cannot survive that. It is a nice big packaging, and they state it to be a nice silicone brush inside. Yes, it is nice. So let's try. That is spiky. It coated my lashes, but tiny little bit. So on a box it states that it is a buildable one. So let's try to build, and I hope it will give us more drama, at least one drama to the lashes. So I've succeeded to building it up to this right here. It's about 3 coats, so it's not what I've expected it to be. 2 misses through 1 makeup. It's too much. Let's put our trusted cushion highlighter on. I guess that will make my day. I love this one. You can never miss with it. Let's find something for our lips, and we will be ready for a day. Those things, they upset me. They just made me really mad. And I don't want to leave my video like this, so I'm trying 2 more new stuff. It is same LA Girl, the lip liner and the lipstick. So since I'm desperate about my makeup today, I will go for red lips. Oh, I love the grip. Look, it is a rubber grip here. It looks good, and it is mechanical one. So let's try. That is pigment, and it is so soft. I mean, I'm barely touching, and it makes the line perfection. It's jumping on me. So look. Oh, it clicks. That's nice. Let's try it on. So for the impressions, the pencil is kind of bleeding and goes into the lines and pores. I don't like that, so I got my concealer and lined the liner. That is crazy. I've lined the liner. Make it work. The lipstick is really comfortable. It has a flower scent, and it promised to have matte finish. So I love this one. The only thing I'm not liking in my look right now is my eyelashes, because I made the pencil work, I made the lips work. I need to fix my lashes. I'm getting my MAC Hot Naughty. So you guys, we did it. We are finally at the end of this video. I could not wait till all that product will stop letting me down. So thank you so much for staying with me, for supporting me by watching this video. Please do subscribe, put thumbs up to this one if you liked it. In the comments down below, let me know about your hate product, which you just been hating all the time using, like me, this mascara and this eyeliner and all that stuff. So I will be happy to read those. For now, I'm wishing you all a beautiful day and mwah.